A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there is an encroaching darkness in the world, yet no Jedis to save it. People were only people, and heroes were far and few between. This world seemed lost to the darkest virtues of man. People were selfish, lost control of themselves, and hurt others. Kindness was there, but it seemed as though each peaceful idea only led to a darker tomorrow. We all only pictured heroes as super beings wearing capes, and villains were only those who ruled over a dark empire. But someone rose amongst the chaos to help out those in need. She stood up for mental illness and wasn't afraid to share the truth of her own mental health, showing others that they weren't alone. She worked to disprove common misconceptions about bipolar disorder, going against those who believed it wasn't a real disorder and instead was something people invented on their own. She was a hero from our world, and did so many amazing things that could even outmatch Princess Leia.